Hi Filipino learners, my name is JC. Kamusta kayo? Welcome to lesson 9 of our ultimate Tagalog course. In today's video, we will learn how to express possession in Tagalog, as well as how to use possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Let us begin with using ni, nina, and nang to express possession. We use ni and nina if the noun that possesses or the owner is a name of a person. Halimbawa, sasakyan ni Dora, lapis ni Angelo, anak ni na Erika at Alan, tindahan ni na Ana at Gina. Take note that we place the object followed by the owner. So what is the difference between ni and nina? If the owner is just one person, like these, we use ni. But if it's more than one person, we use nina. Like in this one, we have Erika at Alan. They're more than one person, so we use nina. Same goes with this one. We have Ana at Gina. Again, they're more than one person, so we used nina. Take note that we place ni and nina before the owner. Now, what if the owner is not a name of a person? So for these instances, we use nang. And it doesn't matter if it's singular or plural. Halimbawa, bahay ng mag-asawa, libro ng mag-aaral, or libro ng estudyante, balahibo ng pusa. And again, we place the object first and then followed by the owner. And we placed nang before the owner. Now let us talk about possessive pronouns. These are akin or mine, iyo or yours, kanya or his or hers. Again, in Tagalog, for third person singular, this is gender neutral. So even though it's a male or female, we use kanya. Not like in English where you have his and you have hers. Next one, atin or amin, which means ours. What is the difference between the two? Atin means ours, including the person that you are speaking to, while amin is ours, excluding the person that you are speaking to. Halimbawa, me and my sister shares a room. So if I was speaking to her, I would say, atin ang kwarto, because we both own the room and I am speaking to her. But for example, I'm speaking to someone else. I'm speaking to my parents. I would tell them, amin ang kwarto. Because this time, the person or the people that I'm speaking to doesn't own the object that I'm talking about as well. Okay, next we have inyo or yours, but in plural. And then kanila or theirs. Now, sometimes we place sa before these, but they would mean the same thing. So for the first one, we say sa akin or sakin, sa iyo, or sometimes we shorten this to sayo, sa kanya, sa atin or sa amin. Again, sometimes we shorten this to satin and samin. Next one, we have sa inyo. And then lastly, sa kanila. Again, these are the same, okay? With or without sa, they mean the same thing. So they're interchangeable. Okay, let us form a couple of sentences. Akin ang corona. The crown is mine. Or you can say, sa akin or sakin ang corona. Kanya ang payong. Once again, you can add sa kanya ang payong. If you remember from our previous lesson, there is another way of forming sentences in Tagalog where the subject goes first and you use I. So you can do this one as well in these examples. Halimbawa, ang korona ay akin. Ang payong ay kanya. Once again, always remember to put I right here. Personally, when it comes to spoken Tagalog, I would recommend sticking to these ones without the I. However, both are correct, so it's fine whichever one you decide to use. Now let us talk about possessive adjectives or determiners. In English, these are my, your, his or her, our, and their. In Tagalog, we have the following: ko, mo, niya, natin, and namin. So again, the difference between the two is that natin includes the person that you're speaking to, while namin excludes the person that you're speaking to. Next one, we have ninyo or nyo, and then nila. So, possessive adjectives or possessive determiners go together with the noun. For example, asawa ko, sombrero mo, nanay niya, kwarto nila. As you can see for us in Tagalog, we place the possessive determiners after the noun. I'll show you a few sentences using these examples. Mahalaga ang asawa ko. Malaki ang sombrero mo. Well, there you go. That is it for today's lesson. I'll be creating a practice video for this one as well. Our next lesson will be about comparative adjectives, so watch out for that. Please support us by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit.